What's going on, everybody? Listen, I'm doing an unboxing. And the box says fragile. I didn't know that it was actual glass. See, I'm gonna have to rotate the video just in case if it don't show right. My package came so quick. This is from this is Liquid Blenz. First of all, I just want to say shout out to Craig the Writer Stewart and T.S. Madison for always like putting us onto stuff. Like, and then it was like a discount code. So I'm like, I can't beat that. So this is some beneficial stuff that I would love to try. I have not tried it. That's why I bought the products and I was like, you know what? I got the money. Let's do it. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing. It came, was it yesterday? Was it yesterday or the day before yesterday? It was just sitting on my front porch. I'm not sitting under my carport. I hate when they put packages on my front porch. Like, and then I like stay like low key on a main street. Hate that. Just put it under the carport. Box is a little heavy, so I believe I almost forgot all what I purchased. I think I purchased like maybe 5 items. Okay. It's wrapped up. Liquid Blenz. Let's see what we got. So let me tell y'all what I ordered. So I ordered the blood pressure bully. I don't have high blood pressure, but sometimes it's elevated, like when I go to a doctor's appointment, because I be so nervous because needles and stuff like that, so it kind of shoots up a little bit. But I do have a history in the family, so I kind of want to prevent high blood pressure. That's why I'm just want to have this stuff just in case, because I don't want to be on any type of medicine or anything that scares me. I ordered the 4D Detox and Blenz bundle, so the flat belly bully. My belly not big, but it's, you know, when you sit down, you see a little pudge. The sea moss tonic, the sour salt bitters, and the humidity enhancer. I don't really have any issues, but I want to prevent it because sometimes I don't have the most energy sometimes. So, oh yeah, and the elderberry wellness tonic. I think that's the humidity enhancer. So let's take a look at how this stuff looks. They got it wrapped up really good. I can say that. Oh, they trying, oh, because it's glass, that's why. I thought it was gonna be like plastic bond. Okay. And it came fast. I hope it's directions, because I'm gonna go back on their site and look and see if it's directions. And I really hope this stuff works. I don't want to drop it, so. They got this stuff wrapped up, man, but I can see why. The sea moss tonic, pure sea moss with bladder wrack, burdock root, and spirulina astragalus. That's how it looks. It's definitely glass. Okay, thank you. It has the directions. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons twice daily. You can add juice or tea. Okay. Okay, expiration date at the bottom. You got the batch number. Just the total sugars, but no added sugars. Okay, let's go ahead into the next thing. It says that it has what the body needs. You know what? I'm tripping. I could just be using this knife. We have the soursop bitters. Now, I did purchase some soursop that I have not done a review on. I can tell you I do see a difference with my bowels, though, when it comes to that soursop. It's like it flows better for some reason. But soursop bitters paired with moringa and turmeric, detox and energy beverage. I like the paper that they got on here, too. Okay, got some sodium in it. Okay, so you got to refrigerate after opening. There might be some good stuff. Look like it's some plastic at the top of these, so you got to take that off too. A nice size, a really, really nice size. Because actually, this is 16 ounces, each one that I bought. 16 fluid ounces. And I think they got 32 ounces too. But I just bought, the 16 ounce. That's enough for me. Because these are probably going to last me so long. Because I may not do it every day. We'll see. We got the Flat Belly Bully. Detox and fat burner. Weight loss, remove toxin, protect liver and colon. Also has the batch number. No cholesterol. Got some sodium in it. 2 grams of sugar, 1 gram of fiber. Got directions. And you got to do this on an empty stomach. Okay. Might reduce cravings. Because sometimes I do get like a little craving for something. Okay. We got 3 of those. We got 3 more to unpack. And I love how some of you companies are reaching out to certain people. Because everybody don't know about this. So this one is the Immunity Enhancer Elderberry. It's telling you everything at the bottom that it helps with. Inflammation. A lot of us got a lot of inflammation. Okay, may help with hypertension. When they say may, does it do it or not? May help with colon, flu, constipation, muscle pain, kidney function, allergies, asthma symptoms. There it is. Got some carbohydrates and 4 grams of sugar, 3 grams of protein. All right, let's open the last 2. Now, this is the one that I felt like, okay, I may need. I'm a male, black male at that, and I don't want to have any issues with my prostate. I mean, I'm 29 right now, but let's prevent any of that. It is the Prostate Bully, saw, palmetto, and pygium. Has a lot of things that it can improve on, but that's how it looks. If you guys got any questions, email me, tweet me, DM me. I'm available. Let's open the last one. But when I saw the one for the prostate one, I was like, oh, I got to get that, because I found out that one of my family members had, I guess they were in the beginning stages of it, and I was like, oh God, no. And I said that as soon as I have my next appointment, I will be talking to my doctor on getting it checked, even at this early age, because I'm not leaving this world I refuse to leave here having any issues. I don't want that. This is the blood pressure bully. Healthy blood plus circulation. Look at it. Lower blood pressure level, manage cholesterol, improves heart health, increase sexual function, improve blood circulation, support blood vessel health, boost cardiovascular performance, boost bone health, boost immunity, reduce inflammation, have anti-cancer properties, support leg health. Take 2 tablespoons once daily after meals. 40 milligrams. Okay. If you guys got any questions, you guys can always email me, just in the description below or in my intro. Follow me on Twitter, DM me. I'll answer anything that you need to be answered. I don't know if I'm supposed to be giving a discount code out or whatnot, but if you're really interested, I'll send it to you. And we'll go from there. So until next time, that's my unboxing, y'all. Cannot wait to try these. And I may just do a review on these just to see, you know, how well it makes me feel or what it does for me. So see y'all soon.